Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we apply framed text picture layout in the picture that we have imported in Microsoft Excel. So for that you have to select the picture and then you have to click on this Format tab. After that you have to click on this picture layout which is present in this picture style group. And then you have to click on this last option in this fourth row which is framed text picture. Just click on that. After clicking on that, this layout will be applied on your picture, and here is a small arrow. When you click on that, then this box will appear where you can enter that text, and if you press enter, then more pictures will be added. Similarly, if you press backspace, then the picture will delete including the text. I will close this, and now from here you can resize the picture and you can select it and edit the picture. You can add the effect or you can add multiple of effects. Similarly, you can add the borders. Now here you can edit the text by selecting it and using this font group to edit it, or you can use the smart alt tools where you can use this word art style to edit. Similarly guys, you can edit this layout by selecting it and using this design tab to edit the layout. From here you can also change it and you can change the color. So hope you like this video guys. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.